guys, my name's Amelia and I've got my sister called Ivy. And today we're going to do the Kawaii box.
July's box.
July's box.
Polar bear gummies.
Polar bear gummies. The key looks like tools. Cars. Looks like cars.
Open them, you can try them.
Whoa. Whoa. It's like gummies. It's supposed to be like gummies.
Try it then.
Yum. This is really yummy. You won't know what to say.
Hello Kitty mermaid plush.
Plusher.
That's it.
A mermaid. It's got a little small thing at the back, at the bottom.
Go on the next item. Next turn.
Clips. You basically have clips. And
Hair
then
clips.
hair clips. There's one for me and one for you.
DIY cupcake cassette.
More. You see, can we could do it when we are here?
Not here, no.
Oh, you want to?
It's a pen.
Why is this side?
As a popsicle.
Oh yeah, like the popsicle is the lid. Jewelries.
DIY bracelet set.
Why does it keep saying do? Wait,
DIY means do it yourself.
means why do they both have specs? Okay, you're done.
That's a pill organizer.
Should we oh, oh, why did you turn it around like that?
It's supposed to put your pills in it. Your medicines.
The purse.
It's a headphone case.
The last thing I did.
And that should be stickers.
Quite then.
That's it.
Yeah, the rubbish left.
Mhm.
That's all. That's all of them. And in my next video, I'm probably going to do the same, or I'm probably not. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Say bye, Ivy.
Say bye.